We go to Facebook, go to Ads Manager. We'll create a pixel code here. Go to Events Manager. Facebook pixel would help us track and even help us in remarketing. Connect the data source. Since we have a website, go to Web, Connect, Facebook pixel, Connect. You can name your pixel. Let's say here I am naming it as, and I'll put the link of my website. Continue. It gives you an option. We'll install the code manually. Click on Install Code Manually. Copy this entire code. And as it says, just paste this in the head section. We'll go to our dashboard. For this, we can download a plugin so that we don't have to intervene with the code. So just search a plugin. There are a lot of plugins available. I think I'll use this plugin. Install and activate. We already have copied the code. So whenever now somebody comes to our website, the Facebook pixel also gets triggered and it will help us identify the same people on Facebook. So we've just added the plugin. Header and footer plugin. I go to Settings, Header and Footer Scripts. I'll see the plugin here. And now it's saying that what you want to paste in header or footer. So we wanted to paste this code. So I've just copy pasted the Facebook pixel code. Save settings. So we are done pasting. We'll come back to Facebook. Continue. Turn on advanced matching. Continue. It will ask us to enter the website. There could be different events which could happen on our website, and we can track. Okay, as it says that we haven't received any events, so it might take at least 3 to 4 minutes to get it done. So I'll just cross it up. To check this, you go on your website. I've installed one extension, which is Facebook Pixel Helper. So I've added this to Chrome already, if you see here, and maybe I can trigger it here. So right now it says no pixels found. Maybe I'll have to wait for another 5 minutes. Now if you check, I just refreshed and it says, okay, this pixel ID is there. The page view has started working. I go here, test event, open website. All we need to check is if the data has started receiving. So if you see, it's processed and we are on it. So it's receiving activity if you see. So now what I can do is later when I have recorded a lot of audience out here, I can go to here and create audience, which would be the custom audience who already have come to my website and maybe added some product to the cart or went to the contact form or made a sign up, etc. So Facebook Pixel entirely helps us to do retargeting out here.